Welcome to Fiddler channel, where we explore the latest in technology and gadgets. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 6 best Sony cameras of 2023. Sony has long been known for producing some of the best cameras on the market, and with their latest releases, they continue to raise the bar. Whether you're a professional photographer or an amateur enthusiast, Sony has a camera that will suit your needs. From the compact and versatile A7C to the powerful and rugged A9 III, we'll be taking a closer look at the features and capabilities that make these cameras stand out from the crowd. So grab your popcorn and get ready to discover the best of the best in Sony cameras for 2023. First on our list is Sony A7R V, best for high-res captures. This is one of the most highly anticipated camera releases of 2023. With a 61-megapixel full-frame sensor, it boasts incredible resolution and image quality. The camera also features 567 phase detection AF points and real-time IAF for both humans and animals, making it an excellent choice for portrait and wildlife photography. Additionally, the A7R V has a 10 fps continuous shooting speed and 4K video recording capability. Its durable weather-sealed design and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity are also notable features. As for pros, the Sony A7R V delivers outstanding image quality, especially in low-light conditions, and its autofocus system is fast and accurate. The camera's high resolution and dynamic range make it a great choice for landscape and studio photography. Additionally, the A7R V's video capabilities are top-notch, allowing for high-quality 4K recording with no crop. On the downside, the Sony A7R V comes with a high price tag and can be quite heavy compared to other mirrorless cameras. Some users have also noted that the battery life could be improved, especially when using features like the high-speed continuous shooting mode. Overall, the Sony A7R V is an excellent camera for professional photographers and enthusiasts who value image quality and performance above all else. Secondly, we have Sony ZV E10, best camera for beginners, vloggers, and YouTubers. The Sony ZV E10 is a mirrorless camera released in 2021 that is specifically designed for content creators and vloggers. It features a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, which is capable of delivering high-quality images and videos. The camera is also equipped with advanced autofocus features, such as real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking, making it easy to capture sharp and well-focused footage. One of the key features of the ZV E10 is its 3-inch fully articulating LCD screen, which is perfect for vlogging and selfie-style videos. The camera also has a dedicated movie button and a built-in directional microphone that can be used to record high-quality audio. Additionally, the camera can be connected to a smartphone or tablet for easy file transfer and remote control. The Sony ZV E10 is a great option for content creators who are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use camera that can deliver high-quality results. Its advanced autofocus system and fully articulating screen make it a great choice for vlogging and other types of video content. However, its smaller sensor size may not be suitable for more demanding photography tasks, and some users have noted that its battery life could be improved. Overall, the Sony ZV E10 is an excellent camera for those looking to create content on the go. Third on our list is Sony A6400, best camera for advanced amateurs and influencers. The Sony A6400 is a mirrorless camera that was released in 2019 and is designed for enthusiasts and amateur photographers who are looking for a compact yet powerful camera. The camera features a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers high-quality images with excellent detail and low noise. Additionally, the A6400 features an advanced autofocus system with 425 phase detection AF points, which allows for fast and accurate focus tracking. Other notable features of the Sony A6400 include a 180-degree tilting touchscreen LCD, which is perfect for vlogging and selfies, and a high-speed continuous shooting mode of up to 11 fps. The camera also offers 4K video recording and can capture slow-motion videos at up to 120 fps in full HD resolution. One of the advantages of the A6400 is its compact size and lightweight design, which makes it easy to carry around and use for extended periods of time. It also has a built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, allowing for easy file transfer and remote control using a smartphone or tablet. As for cons, some users may find the camera's menu system and user interface to be a bit complicated, and the battery life may be somewhat limited. Additionally, the camera lacks in-body image stabilization, which can be a disadvantage when shooting in low light or using longer focal lengths. Overall, the Sony A6400 is an excellent camera for enthusiasts and amateur photographers who are looking for a compact and capable camera that delivers high-quality images and videos. Next up, we have Sony A7C, best entry-level full-frame body. The Sony A7C is a full-frame mirrorless camera released in 2020 that offers a compact and lightweight design, making it an ideal camera for travel and everyday photography. It features a 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor and offers impressive image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. The camera also features 5-axis and body image stabilization, which provides up to 5 stops of stabilization, making it easier to capture sharp images and videos without the need for a tripod. One of the unique features of the Sony A7C is its compact design, which is more similar to an APS-C camera than a full-frame camera. Despite its compact size, the camera still offers a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a 3-inch vari-angle LCD screen, making it easy to shoot from a variety of angles. Other notable features of the Sony A7C include its fast autofocus system, which features 693 phase detection AF points and real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking for both humans and animals. The camera can also shoot up to 10 FPS in continuous shooting mode and offers 4K video recording. As for cons, the Sony A7C has a shorter battery life compared to some other full-frame cameras, and the camera's smaller size may make it less comfortable to hold for extended periods. Additionally, the camera has only one SD card slot, which may be a disadvantage for some photographers. Overall, the Sony A7C is an excellent choice for photographers who prioritize portability and versatility without sacrificing image quality and performance. Its compact size, advanced autofocus system, and image stabilization make it a great camera for travel, street photography, and everyday shooting. Fifth on our list is Sony A7R V, best full-frame model for most people. This is a highly anticipated full-frame mirrorless camera set to be released in 2022. One of the main benefits of the Sony A7R V is its expected high image quality and dynamic range, which will allow photographers to capture stunning, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera is also rumored to have a faster and more advanced autofocus system, which will make it easier to capture sharp and well-focused images of moving subjects. In terms of cons, there is not much information available about the Sony A7R V at this time, so it is difficult to say what its drawbacks might be. However, based on past models, it is possible that the camera could have a shorter battery life compared to some other full-frame cameras and may be more expensive than some photographers' budgets. Overall, the Sony A7R V is shaping up to be an excellent camera that offers advanced features and impressive image quality. It is expected to be an ideal choice for professional photographers who need a reliable and versatile camera that can keep up with their demanding needs. However, it is important to wait for official release and reviews before making a final decision. Last but not least, we have the Sony A1. This is a full-frame mirrorless camera released in 2021 and is considered to be Sony's flagship camera. It features a 50.1-megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers exceptional image quality and detail, particularly in low-light conditions. The camera also features a powerful autofocus system with 759 phase detection AF points and real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking for both humans and animals, making it easy to capture sharp and well-focused images and videos. One of the most notable features of the Sony A1 is its impressive shooting speed. The camera can shoot up to 30 FPS in continuous shooting mode, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. It also offers 8K video recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, delivering exceptional video quality. Other notable features of the Sony A1 include its 5-axis and body image stabilization, which provides up to 5.5 stops of stabilization, and its dual card slots that support both CF Express Type A and SD cards. The camera also features a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a 3-inch vari-angle LCD screen, making it easy to shoot from a variety of angles. As for cons, the Sony A1 is one of the most expensive cameras on the market, which may be a barrier for some photographers. Additionally, the camera's battery life is somewhat limited, and its large size may make it less portable than some other mirrorless cameras. Overall, the Sony A1 is an exceptional camera that delivers exceptional image quality, performance, and features. It is a great choice for professional photographers who need a camera that can keep up with their demanding needs and who are willing to invest in top-of-the-line equipment. There you have it, the top 6 Sony cameras for 2023. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, Sony offers a range of cameras to suit your needs. From the high-end features of the Sony A1 to the compact and versatile Sony A6400, there is a camera for every type of photographer. We hope this video has helped you narrow down your choices and find the perfect Sony camera for your photography journey. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Fiddler channel for more great content.